Gage Bilt is proud to introduce its blind rivet and lock bolt installation kit, the GB7722TCKL. This kit is specifically designed for your truck and trailer repairs. The GB722TCKL can be configured to meet your needs, whether you're fixing Wabash, Great Dane, Peterbilt, Kenworth, or any other brand truck or trailer. The kit includes nose assemblies to pull your fasteners, and at the heart of the system is our heavy-duty GB722 installation tool. She may not be Rosie the Riveter, but she might as well be with how easy she makes repairs on your truck and trailers look. Your GB722TCKL will include the following nose assemblies: an MG08-722-20. This nose assembly is for pulling 1/4 inch Magna grips for large structural areas. An MG06-722-60, which is Gage Bilt's long 6-inch nose assembly used for pulling 3/16 Magna grips. LB06-722-20. This nose assembly is for all those Peterbilts that have stainless steel grill bolts. And finally, the MGLC68-752A-21. This nose assembly comes with 2 nose tips to install 3/16 and 1/4 inch structural blind rivets in any material for the hood, cab, and other accessories. 1 nose assembly for both diameters. Gage Bilt. Tough tools for tough jobs.